Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Cyrus Creations, and I believe you all are doing great. As you can see, today I'm wearing American flag shirt, which I already teach on my channel how to prepare. I have a bunch of flags behind me, so that's mean today I gonna teach you a very patriotic project. As you know, and we all know, that we still have to face a lockdown in a couple areas and countries. We still have to do social distance practice by wearing fabric mask. So today I gonna teach you how you can prepare this beautiful American flag face mask. This fabric, American flag fabric, is nylon and cotton mix, and behind I have used 100% soft cotton fabric, which make this project more comfy and nice. This project is so easy and quicker to do, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. So let's go ahead and start it over to the project today. We're gonna cut the patch 7 by 9 inches patch, which I already cut it to save our time. And the other patch, lining patch, if you see, I have cut 1 inch longer. So simply we can, because this fabric already have, you don't need to sew like a fold or do anything from top, because we want to save our fabric. But the cotton fabric we can fold inside. The both sides are outside. The wrong sides are outside right now, so that's why I fold on the outside. So that's how we're gonna do. Simply you just have to iron it. As you can see, I have iron here, so when we will be flipping this part, that will be inside. So after that, you need total need of 14 inches elastic, 7 inch for ear string for each side. Simply, and I'm using this half quarter elastic. Simply you're just gonna make 2 pieces, like I had to teach you in my previous video too, but this is a special. I'm teaching you how you can use your flag, you know. So the same method, we're gonna use our elastic. Inside, and we are pinning up. And by using 100% cotton on a bag, it's perfect. You know, you don't need to worry about if the flag is breathable or not. It's definitely breathable. And if you try to find, you can even find the flags in 100% cotton, or like, you know, the more material in a cotton too. So you can use any material, and even use any patriotic fabric. I did order through Amazon, which gonna come nearby, maybe Memorial Day or even the after Memorial Day, but I still have plan. At least I will get it and I can use in my you know, the 4th of July projects. And I love to have a patriotic fabrics in my store, you know, so if I see any new project, I can just, you know, use that fabric. All right, the same thing we're gonna do on the other side as well. And I told you, don't worry about this, you know, the elastic, because it's gonna stretch, and that's gonna be fine. I'm gonna do the elastic on the other side, and then I will be back. All right, now our fabric is good to sew. So simply we're just gonna leave open the front top part, full opening, and we're just gonna stitch from the sides and the bottom. So let's head to our sewing machine. Okay, now we're gonna remove all the pins. And as I have taught you earlier what to do with those corners when you are flipping the fabric, simply we're just gonna trim those corners. So when we flip our fabric, you know, that came out nicely. And even we're gonna trim a little bit of this too from top, because we're gonna sew little bit of when we flip it. Okay, so now after flipping, the next part simply which we needed to do, just gonna iron it, and then I'm gonna make our plates, and then I will show you how to sew on the sides and top. Now we're gonna prepare our plates. So we are folding wrong side in and right side out. So as you can see, we have one line in the center. Now we're gonna make two more lines, creases, by folding. All right. So now the next part, just gonna put the plates. I will show you how to sew on a top part as well, so don't worry about that thing why it's still opening, big opening. All right, so we're gonna give a center, a press to, so our fabrics stay, our all plates stay in a shape. The next thing I want to show you, we are adding on the top of our opening, as you can see, 2.5 inches distance pins on top. Okay, so that's our spot for closing. And if I show you the back of fabric, we already had a folded inside. Okay, so just we have to sew a very close to the fabric on from a top and then on a side. So let's head to our sewing machine now. A little back stitch to secure thread. Okay, so the next we're gonna sew on a 1/4 inch straight here, 1/4 inch straight on this side, and our project almost is done. Right, just have to trim all the extra threads if you have around, And your project is almost finished. Thank you so much for watching our today project. I'm sure you really loved doing this project and enjoyed it. Please be safe and continually pray that God heal this world and we all get through this. Don't forget to hit like if you really like this project. Subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. You can hit the bell icon button for further updates. God bless you all and have a fabulous, safe day. Bye-bye.